here at the shop. Let me get the first oil change put on the girl. See what it do. So she got a little rust. That's alright though. We're gonna go ahead and switch it out later on down the line. Minor things, man. It's minor things, baby, but she good. Sound good. Come back in here and get alignment. Got my girl in the air. Yeah, my girl, boy. Blessings from God. She's like my wife, boy. She's my wife over my car. Got back from getting the oil change. You know what I'm saying? I wanted to go ahead and get the wheel alignment done, but I'm going to go ahead and do that another time because I just signed up for this special promotion they got going on where you get like half off wheel alignment, you get free oil changes, free this, half this, you know, percentages also. So it's $100, man, and got a free oil change today for signing up, you know, and paying for it. So that was up. But so we on our way back to the crib. Gonna go ahead and get ready for the cut some hair today. You know what I mean? Go head to the shop for half a day today, and then we're gonna drop the car off. You know what I'm saying? At Best Buy, go ahead and get this alarm put in. So next time y'all see your boy, you know what I'm saying, the alarm getting put in, and then everything's straight. But she drives smooth. She drive real clean though. Yeah, she drive real clean. Alright, I'll get at y'all next one.